welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing a hair tutorial for you guys because I posted a cut crease video. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. A lot of you guys asked me about how I curled my hair. Plus, I think I get that question literally every single time I actually do my hair. So like on Snapchat and Instagram, if I ever post with my hair done, because I don't do my hair that often. But since I got it colored, I actually have been doing it a little bit more just because with the blonde, it looks a little messy if I don't do it. I literally get questions every single time I do my hair, and it's always, how do you curl your hair? What curling iron do you use? Yada yada. So I'm going to show you guys what curling iron I use and exactly how I curl my hair to get these nice, big, poofy curls. So if you guys want to see how to curl your hair like this, then go ahead and just keep on watching. Okay, so my hair is freshly washed. Right now I just had it in a bun because I was doing my makeup. So as you can see here, it is pretty damp still. So what I like to put into my hair are two different products. I use a leave-in conditioner, or leave-in conditioning cream, I guess, from Garnier Fructis. This is the Sleek and Shine. And then I also like to use the Tresemme Heat Tamer. This stuff I've been using for so long. If you guys have followed me for like ever, then you guys know that I've been using this for such a long time. But I like to just use these two products in my hair. So I start off with the leave-in conditioner. And I first kind of work it through my ends because those are the parts that are the most dry. Oh, it smells so good, you guys. This stuff smells so freaking good. Like, I love it. And sometimes, you know, if I feel like my hair is a little bit dry, I'll add a little bit more. You can never have too much, right? Right? No, actually you can, because then it'll get kind of gross. Then I go ahead and I spray my hair because we are going to be using heat on it. We're going to be using a curling iron and a blow dryer. So I just really kind of spray that all around. Once that's done, I actually go ahead and blow dry my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry my hair off camera because I just realized my damn camera is dying. Awesome, that's awesome. Once you look like a lion with like so much freaking hair, look at this hair, you guys. I like to section it off. I take the first top half here and I just get it out of the way. And then I start with the bottom half, just curling up this part. Still a little bit damp, so I'm just gonna kind of show you guys first. I use the Conair 1 1/4 inch curling iron. This bad boy is amazing, you guys. It was super cheap at Walmart. Like, I don't even remember how much it was, but I want to say like 20 bucks or something or less. And this thing works awesome, so this is what I like to use. And then I just start by taking fairly thick sections, like I think that's probably about like an inch of a section, and just curling it away from my face. And so I will just continue to do this around the whole head, just taking about an inch wide of sections and curling it away from the face. Once you have finished curling the bottoms, it's gonna look like this, and you're just gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the top layer. I usually try to do a split here on the side. What I'll do is I'll take a little bit more hair from the back and put it towards the side here. And then we just start to curl. What is that noise? This side as well, and you're also curling this away from the face. And I don't comb it out right away, so I just leave it like this and start to work on this side. And you're gonna just basically do the same thing, but I'll show you guys how I do this side just a little bit different when it comes to the top layers. So first, just start to curl. I'll do the bangs just a little bit just to get them out of my face. So just a little bit. And then I'll go towards the back and just start pulling this hair. Once I get to my top layers, as you can see, I curled everything underneath here. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the top layers, but I like to do these layers just a little bit thinner so that way they can get a little bit more of a curl to them, which is gonna add a lot of nice volume. And I'll actually leave the curling iron on just a little bit longer than what I did for the rest of the hair. And as you can tell, I'm alternating. So first I went towards the face, now I'm going away from the face. And that's also going to add a little bit of volume to your hair. Okay. Now is when I'll actually go through and start to comb out the curls just a little bit. Then, as you can tell, I curled everything going towards the face here. I actually take a little bit of that hair and move it over to this side. So see how that's gonna give it a little bit of volume? I go through and I fix up the curls so that it looks like, you know, I intentionally curled my hair this way. But really, we curled it the opposite way so that we could get some volume up in here. So I'll go through and fix some of these curls. That's pretty much all I do, you guys. I'll go through and just kind of pick out pieces of the hair that I want to recurl until I get the desired look that I want. And then what I do is I'll either leave it like this, or you can put some of the hair back and leave some of the hair out. See? I'll even sometimes go through and fix up the bangs right here, just so that they have a more blended look. Okay. And that's pretty much all I do, you guys. I just kind of comb out the curls a little bit, make sure they're not all stuck together. I'll go through and fix up any little pieces that I feel are kind of all over the place or don't really blend well with the hair. But like I said, you can do it like this, to where you have hair just kind of out, or you can stick it behind the ear, which is what I did in my cut crease video that you guys all asked about. So that's it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a huge thumbs up, because it really does mean a lot to me. If you guys want to see more hair tutorials, give it a huge thumbs up. Also, don't forget to share this video with all of your friends and family, or whoever you feel like sharing it with. That would mean the world to me. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.